Dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see important instructions and tips for your upcoming SLC exam, that is within few days of time. As how exam preparation is important, following instructions is very important. So the first is the important documents or things to be carried to exam center is your admission ticket or hall ticket is very important. Use blue or black ballpoint pen only. Because of this pandemic, it is very important to safeguard yourself. So wearing mask inside and outside the exam center is very important. To wear mask inside and outside the exam hall, and also carry water bottle. If necessary, carry lunch box or any snacks like biscuits for your exam hall. Watch the complete video. I have given necessary tips to face the MCQ exam. What are not allowed inside the exam center? Digital watch, smart watch or any electronic watch is not allowed. Calculator, mobile phone, pager or any other electronic items are not allowed inside the exam hall. In case by mistake if you have carried any of this, do inform the teachers in the exam center. Whitener, blades are not necessary for your exam. In case of any mistake, do inform the room invigilator as soon as possible without any hesitation. The next few important other instructions are present in the exam center at least 1 hour before the commencement of your exam. Wear mask in the exam center and outside too. Don't forget. And also in the exam center they'll provide the mask in case if you have forgot. And maintain social distance, very important. Maintaining social distance all the time is very important. Go home after finishing the exam. Don't discuss about the question paper with your friends. Don't crowd up. Go home directly. Study for next exam. Discussion should be avoided after you finish the exam, because you cannot change anything what you have written or shaded in the exam sheet. Face the exam with confidence. You have put all your efforts and hard work. Face the exam with confidence. Read the question properly. Read the question completely. Check the question number properly before you shade the OMR. Very important. Checking the question number properly before you shade the OMR. Don't fold or scratch or write anything on the OMR sheet. Very important. And don't forget to sign on the OMR sheet. You should sign on the OMR sheet. Don't forget to sign on the OMR answer sheet. The OMR sheet contains all the details of you. Just you need to sign. Don't forget to sign on the OMR sheet. Don't panic. It is just an exam. In case of any issue, without any hesitation, contact room invigilator. Attempt all the questions. There is no negative marking. Do attempt all the questions. In case if you don't know any question, make a guess and attempt the question. In case if you have stuck in any question, leave the question and proceed to next question so that you can attempt that question later. Don't forget to attempt all the questions because there is no negative marking in there. Out of 4 options, any one option will be correct. So make a guess or try to remember the concepts and shade it. The important tips for your MCQ based exam: first, eliminate the wrong answers. Always eliminate the wrong answers. Out of 4 options, 3 options will be wrong. Eliminate those 3. Read the entire question. Always read the entire question. Read all the 4 options. Read all the 4 options. Answer the question you know first. Always attempt the questions you know first. Remember all the above and none of the above options. In case of those options, be careful when you're attempting those kind of questions. And also, the time management is very important in your exam. Don't spend much time on a single question. If you have stuck, I've told already, move on to the next question. Students, the next important is skip hard questions. That is, the difficult questions can be skipped. You can attempt later. Guess the answers as there is no negative marking. The probability that your option will be 25% correct. Don't shade more than one option. Very important. While shading, first put a dot and check the option again from the question paper, then you start shading. Don't shade more than one option. In case of any instructions or emergency, do contact the room invigilator immediately. In case of any uneasiness or any issues, the teachers are there to help out in the exam center. You have given utmost care in the exam center. So contact in case of any help. Students, I'm sure that you have put your 100% hard work and dedication throughout this year and also during this pandemic. Your dedication and hard work is an inspiration to all the teachers like us. So your success is a result of your hard work and dedication. Face the exam with confidence. Let the success roar to all. Best wishes and all the best for the exam as well as for your future endeavors. Many of the students I have not seen you, but there is a personal connect between me and you. Best wishes. Thank you. Regards, your teacher Arun S.